This next defendant has at least 22 criminal cases, 24 arrests, and he is only 28 years old at this hearing. He has never successfully completed any probation or any pre-trial supervision, ever. After this hearing, he was arrested again, 50 days later. I will give you all the research and updates. All his cases and jail time will be read out at the end. Hashtag #BetterReferendo, hashtag Rando, hashtag ImWithRando, hashtag Wario Rando, hashtag Vision Awareness Support.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 4900, State of Texas versus Damien Trevino. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris,
Defense?
For Mr. Trevino.
Are you Mr. Trevino?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with burglary of a building with intent to commit theft? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine to be probated. State recommends deferred adjudication, and they're asking for a felony drug court evaluation. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
Yes.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
My client wishes, I asked you to follow the agreement.
All right, why are you breaking into buildings and taking cigarettes and scratch offs?
Okay. Drug related. I was having a drug problem. I was homeless.
All right, so being homeless does not give you a pass to break into locations and steal scratch offs and steal cigarettes.
Yes, ma'am.
And just so you know, when you steal scratch offs, you know what ends up happening? You still won't be able to get the money because all of those scratch offs at every locations, they're numbered. And all the person has to do is say, these numbers are missing. It's similar to people when they want to sell airline tickets. Those are all numbered. So what would have end up happening if you would have got a scratch off and won $1 million, you would have went to go, try to get your $1 million and you would have been arrested. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So where are you living now?
With my mother. Well, I'm at lifetime recovery right now.
All right. How long have you been there?
53 days.
Okay. And what was your drug of choice?
Meth and marijuana.
And who was the person who was with you?
I don't know that person.
Oh, so y'all just randomly,
Well, he opened the doors and I was watching him go in and out, so I went in.
I'm sorry, what?
He had opened the doors, and then I just followed him. Well, after I seen him come in and out, I went in and practically picked up after him.
Okay, I still don't understand what you're saying. So are you saying that somebody else was already in the location, burglarizing the location, and they opened the door for you and just was like, hey, I'm here, you're here, come on in?
No, like he just opened it up, and I was really
Really what?
out of state. Like I was really high, and I didn't know what I was thinking.
If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right. Probation, can I get a drug test today from Mr. Trevino? All right. Are you able to provide a sample right now? You don't need to take a water break or anything? All right, so he's going to provide a sample. It'll take them 5 minutes, then I'll do the sentencing. But Sean, do you have the results on Damien Trevino? Negative. Okay, awesome. Yay. I'm happy for you on that. Keep up with that, okay? All right, we're back on the record in 2024 CR 4900. State versus Damien Trevino. So probation is telling me that your UA was negative. That's a good thing. Make sure that you stay vigilant. You understand? Because it's easy to backslide.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. State on Damien Trevino, is there any restitution to the building? Was it, for the lottery tickets, which I guess they have to reprint or destroy, and the cigarettes?
As far as we are aware, no, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, do you have any children?
Yes, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
He's 9 years old.
I'm sorry?
9.
All right, and who is your child with?
The mother right now.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine that will be probated. 4 years deferred adjudication. We're going to do a felony drug court evaluation. And let me just tell you, do not tell felony drug court that you don't have a drug problem, because obviously you do. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to order lifetime recovery. You are not allowed to leave lifetime recovery, and leave the program unless I give you permission to leave the program. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Proof of employment within 90 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There is to be 120 hours of community service restitution. How do you spend your days?
Walking.
Okay. Did you graduate?
I got my high school diploma online.
All right. So I'm going to order 120 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived if you obtain a trade school certificate, or you try to do something to better yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And improve your employment chances.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm also going to order parenting classes, regular random UAs, field visits, 1 time per month for 4 months. At Lifetime Recovery, do they have you doing sober meetings?
I had an interview yesterday for a sober living home, and I got another one next Sunday.
All right, we're going to do 60 sober meetings in 60 days. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Oh, thanks, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. To be successful on probation in this court, communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel as though your probation officer is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court and we'll see what's going on.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And if you feel like you think you're going to use, that's when you call your sponsor. That's when you call your probation officer. And if you can't get in touch with anybody, we're here throughout the week, but not on weekends or holidays. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
Yes, thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Judge.
Thank you, counsel. Thanks for your patience.
Damien Isaiah Trevino, age 29. 2024 failed to identify giving false or fictitious info dismissed, defendant convicted other. 2024 burglary of building sentenced 4 years deferred. 2023 criminal trespass private property sentenced 14 days concurrent. 2023, another, criminal trespass private property dismissed, defendant convicted other. 2023 evade arrest or detention sentenced 14 days concurrent. 2023 theft $100 TO $750, vehicle sentenced 10 days, served 9. 2022 criminal trespass private prop dismissed, defendant convicted other. 2022 possession controlled substance penalty group 1 less than 1 gram sentenced 45 days, served 9 days. 2021 theft mail equals 10 addresses sentenced 14 days. 2021 fail to ID to police officer giving false info sentenced 16 days. 2021 criminal trespass dismissed, insufficient evidence. 2019 burglary of vehicles dismissed, defendant convicted other. 2019 possession controlled substance penalty group 1 less than 1 gram dismissed, in the interest of justice. 2019 credit a debit card abuse dismissed, defendant convicted other. 2019, another, burglary of vehicle 3rd or more sentenced 5 years deferred, probation revoked, resentence 10 months, transferred to TDCJ. 2019, another, criminal trespass private prop dismissed, defendant convicted other. 2019 criminal trespass private prop dismissed, defendant convicted other. 2018 criminal trespass private prop sentenced 8 days, served 4 days. 2012 Bell County, 1, burglary of vehicle sentenced 18 months deferred concurrent, probation transferred to Bexar. 2012 Bell County, another, 2, burglary of vehicle sentenced 18 months deferred concurrent, probation transferred to Bexar. 2012 Bell County, 3, another, burglary of vehicle sentenced 18 months deferred concurrent, probation transferred to Bexar. 2012 Bell County, 4, another, burglary of vehicle sentenced 18 months deferred concurrent, probation transferred to Bexar. Actual local jail time served. The 19th of July, 2024 to the 27th of November, 2024 transferred to SAFP. The 18th of March, 2024 to the 17th of April, 2024 PR bond. The 3rd of May, 2023 5 days PR bond. The 17th of February, 2023 13 days judgment satisfied. The 19th of August, 2023 12 days judgment satisfied. The 7th of June, 2023 1 day PR bond. The 5th of January, 2023 9 days judgment satisfied. The 1st of September, 2023 same day PR bond. The 20th of September, 2022 7 days judgment satisfied. The 28th of June, 2022 1 day PR bond. The 15th of August, 2021 8 days PR bond. The 14th of March, 2021 1 day PR bond. The 23rd of December, 2019 to the 27th of March, 2020 case dismissed. The 23rd of September, 2019 9 days deferred adjudication granted. The 23rd of April, 2019 9 days released on bond. The 24th of October, 2018 same day PR bond. The 28th of February, 2022 same day PR bond.
December 2nd, 2021 14 days, judgment satisfied. October 22nd, 2021 15 days, released on bond. August 2nd, 2019 19 days, PR bond. February 14th, 2019 21 days, PR bond. January 4th, 2019 same day, PR bond. December 3rd, 2018 4 days, judgment satisfied.